Hi guys, I'm going to walk you through these two highlighted beakers of the osmosis practice in case you're struggling with how to get started. First of all, we have to make sure that both of our solution inside the cell, that's what the circle is to represent, and outside the cell equal to 100. And so in this case, and I'm just going to color this guy in the inside blue of both, it's just a visual reminder that is different than the other. You do not need to do that, okay? When we're talking about osmosis, osmosis is the movement of water, okay? And when we are talking about the movement of water, we are only talking about water. And in this case, water is always going to move from a high concentration to a low concentration. So when I look at these two values, I know that they're correct because inside the cell, it adds up to 100, and outside the cell, it adds up to 100. The water in this case is going to go from high concentration to low concentration. 75% water is higher than 45% water. So you're going to draw an arrow going into the cell. In this case, there are no missing percentages. And then I'd be able to label this as hypotonic because the water is going to go into the cell and that will cause the cell to get bigger. You can write your words wherever you would like. I'm just going to write them off to the side like that. All right, so that's the first example where you're not doing anything but looking at the given values. I picked this one as well because it is missing some values, okay? So first thing we need to do, and I know that they're out of order, I apologize. First thing you should do is fill in any missing percentages. So here in the outside, we have 80% water, which to equal 100 would be 20% solute. And if we have 15% solute, we have 85% water on the inside. Water always is going to go from high concentration of water to low concentration. In this case, 85% is lower. In this case, 85% is higher than 80%, so water would leave the cell. So that would make the cell shrink, and that's going to give me a hypertonic solution. That's it. You just need to work through all the rest. Keep it in your notebook. There's no need to turn it in. We'll go over any concerns tomorrow.